Hey, what's up YouTube? That's me waving to you. Welcome to my review of this knife. This is the Deimos folding knife. The brand here is Tactical Gearz. It is a liner lock. The blade length is about 4 inches. You have a flipper as your opener. You see it has open pillar construction. It has jade or natural G10 handle scales. Flat grind. Has a sharpening choil. It has a ball bearing pivot, which is very smooth. The steel is D2. All right, this was about $40. I'll include a link below the video. It is a large knife. I have large size hands and I do have extra room on that handle, so it can do some big knife jobs. Now this is like a flipper version of this knife. This is the SPYDERCO Subvert, currently going for about $400, and of course because it is a SPYDERCO, it has the opening hole and G10 and titanium, right? So these are both actually based on a kukri, which is a good thing to base your knives on, right? Kukri design. Here it is in the pocket. Comes with that satin finish pocket clip. You know, slightly tight, but that's better than slightly loose. There's a close-up of that clip for you. All right, here it is cutting various things, and there's going to be some birds in the background of this video. But yeah, it actually came extremely sharp. Yeah, there you go. Utility knife function. There it is on some paracord, a very easy and mundane task. I hope you're all doing well these days. Possibly the last days of humankind. Possibly AIs will replace us all. But you know, there it is on a seatbelt type material. It does really well. But you know, even if humanity goes on, I mean, we don't live forever. There it is whittling on some wood. So what I'm really saying is just to make the most of the life you have, you know. It's actually a positive message, right? Live each day like it is your last, and make sure that it is the last of your enemies. No, I'm just kidding, just kidding. Peace, give peace a chance, give pieces a chance. I think this is an interesting knife. The price is right. I like the natural G10 handle scales. Has a big handle. This would be good for people with large and extra large hands. You know, 4-inch blade, and also it has a wide grind area, can do some real work. The D2 steel, you know, I would prefer like maybe 440C or Sandvik, but at this price, not really gonna complain. So there you see it whittled. All right, here it is, making a notch in a stick, and there are all kinds of creatures out there. You know, there were geese, there were ducks, there was some other bird. There's my notch right there. Here is the initial sharpness on the paper. The knife came very sharp, so what are my final thoughts? And you can enjoy the wildlife as we discuss this. Let's see. The pivot was very smooth. The handle scales are attractive. A large handle to accommodate large and extra large hands. The 4-inch blade with a wide grind area can do some real work. The steel is okay for this price point. I would have preferred a few alternate steels, but that's okay. Like I said, I gotta consider the price to be realistic. The edge was well done. The lockup was good. Overall, I have to say I feel that I got my money's worth for this knife, whereas, you know, if I had purchased that $400 SPYDERCO, I feel like I would not have gotten $400 worth of knife. That's not to say you shouldn't buy it. There are some very wealthy collectors out there that I hear from every day, and by all means, I mean, $400 is not much to some people, but it is a lot to most of us. All right, so this knife, yeah, it's a great beater. All right, it's a great beater knife. I do feel it is worth it. Check out the links below and consider subscribing. I'm out.